Hi, welcome to Mathematics question. The question is on the logical and reasoning question about coding and decoding. Question is, if in a certain code CAT is equals to 3120, DOG equals to 4157, then what is the code for BAT? Options are 2120, 2140, 3121 and 2130. Pause the video, try this question, then we will look at the solution. Hope you have got the right answers. Let's look at the solution. Here CAT is given as 3120. So this CAT is given as 3120, right? So just write it as CAT is given as 3120. So C here belongs to A3 and A belongs to 1 and T belongs to 20. So seeing this, the pattern comes at C is 3, A is 1 and T is 20. That means if we think of A, B, C, D, E, F in regular, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means each alphabet is equal to the corresponding numerals 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It looks like this. Let's look at the second pattern. So DOG is given as 4157. So let's write. So D O and G is given as 4157. 4157. So D will belong to 4 and G is belonging to 7 as per this. So F, G, 7. So and O is belonging to 15. That means the pattern we are thinking is correct, and we will look into BAT. What should be BAT? So as per this, BAT should be, A here is 1, right? So we can take A from here 1. T is 20, we can take from here also 20. And B is not given, but we know because A, C, D are in the pattern of 1, 2 and 4. So B is 2, from here we can take. So our option should be 2120. This should be the answer for us. And 2120, yes, the option is given as 2120 also. So A is the answer. In this type of questions, there is no direct formula that you can put and get the answers. You have to think logically. That's why the topic itself says logical and reasoning question, means you have to think, you have to deduce the logic from the given patterns and then find the solution which is the best corresponding to the given pattern. So yes, I'll bring more these type of questions regularly. Try these questions, and if you have certain different type of question on this topic, you can put in the comments. I'll look into them and try the videos and provide solution in the comments. Thank you so much. Please like, comment and share and subscribe the channel. Your help is really required to grow, and you can share this to who are learning and practicing for their competition exams. Thank you so much.